Alright, welcome to Lake Elsinore. It's this rather an unusual time for making car wash videos. I usually make them at night. It's 9:03 in the morning. And of course, I have $8 in cash, so we're going to be doing the premium car wash.
You have selected the premium car wash. Please deposit $8.
Alright, we'll change up plans. I only had enough cash to get the $6 option, so let's see what you get for $6 here. So let's see what you get for our bargain basement price. Now I have also filmed this car wash once before. On one of my old channels, like most of the washes I've refilmed, that footage no longer exists. I'm sorry if my voice isn't the greatest. I'm quite tired this morning. But I was right around the corner from this wash. I went ahead and did it. Alright, we're going for, looks like a second coating of the pre-soak. The maximum price was $10, so... And I didn't really need the $10 option, considering I had just finished filming other car washes in Temecula. I figured I'd just film the bottom on this one. Going for the high pressure rinse now. It's a very quick changeover between cycles, so that's very good. I want to say those blowers at the front are superior blowers. So this is probably a spot-free rinse. Now I didn't really look through the wash options because I thought I was going to get the $8 option, and I only managed to get the $6, so. Those sound like superior blowers, all right. I do apologize, the sun is glaring awfully badly. Doing a very good job, really, at all. Oh, it looks like there is a wash status sign, but it's not facing the right direction. I think I'm pretty much out of their range now. It looks like there is a dryer timer, but it doesn't appear to be working. Alright, we can go ahead and take a look at the rest of the... hop out and take a look at the car. As well as the, you can look at the wash bay while we're at it. I mean, drying quality wasn't great by any standard, but If it was spot-free water, the rest of this extra should dry without any spotting, so. See, all that hasn't dried at all. Okay, well, someone's using the automatic base, so I can't get a bay view, but yeah, I'd say that's a, you know, for $6, very basic car wash. Oh, there's a look at the wash options over there. Can't really see them from this angle. Yeah, see, the basic was just pre-soak, high pressure, spot free, and power dry. Yeah, not too bad. All right, well, I gotta get back on the road, so I really hope you enjoyed that, and that's it.